What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. In a recent video, we checked out Style Bae, fashion doll head with combable hair on a flat body with sticker fashion. And I think you already know what I'm gonna try to do. Can we remove her head and put her on an articulated body? But I really love her as a paper doll that's made of plastic. We all know that head swapping comes with a level of risk. There is a possibility that could ruin this doll forever. But she might match a made-to-move soccer player. Prepare the hot water. First, we have to see if we can even remove the doll's head. The head is pretty firm and the neck hole is kinda small. I place the doll's head in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head softens and it can be removed. Hopefully. Come on. Yes, we can do it. I wonder how she would look on a G3 Cleo Denial body. While the Style Bae head is still soft, we add it to the new body, and here she is. It's not a perfect color match, and the neck does appear a little shorter, but I'm not mad at the proportions. Let's call this one Monster Style. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. But Monster High doesn't give us a lot of natural skin tones, so it might be a challenge to try to give her a few friends. But what about an OMG doll? They already have exaggerated proportions. It looks like the neck hole might be about the same size. So let's add the head to the body to make a OMG style doll. It's kind of giving Bratz light. This does make a smaller sized doll, standing around 9 inches. If I was comparing this doll to an OMG personally, I would probably lean more towards the OMG style doll because those OMG eyes, I don't know, they're just kind of large for me. But I really love a lot of the OMG clothes, so this might be a happy medium for me. But this is just my personal feelings. If you love OMG, keep on loving them. I wanted to try Hairdorable's Hair Mazing since this doll is also by Just Play, but availability is a little bit of an issue. But I don't know. This OMG style doll is kinda growing on me. Don't get attached. Remove her head. We'll just let her soak while I go and find the next body. I have a random Ever After High body laying around. It's already headless. I think this one belonged to the Sleeping Beauty. What is it? Briar Beauty? I don't remember. The color match doesn't look perfect, but we're just trying to see how it will look. So let's give it a try. Oh, wow. It's kind of great. The proportions are pretty similar to an Ever After High doll. The head fits perfectly on the neck. Once again, availability might be a little bit of an issue, but if you could find a few at a thrift store, then you're in business. Let's call this one Ever After Style. I really like it, but I am limited on available bodies. Let's try OMG Fierce. The taller OMG dolls. OMG Fierce heads are not the easiest to remove, and I have a slight case of bobblehead. So let's try a Barbie Made to Move. This is a BMR 1959 doll. I was concerned that the head might not fit because of the size of the neck, but when heated, the Style Bae heads get pretty manageable. So we might be able to get it on a made-to-move body. And yes, it worked just fine. Now the doll is fully articulated and can fit everything in Barbie's closet. And the clothing racks are still a good height. We can call these made-to-move style dolls. And here's a Style Bae Barbie and a Style Bae OMG. Okay, I need to stop. Out of all the dolls we swapped today, let us know which one is your favorite. For Kiki, let's try the purple top made-to-move Barbie. Sorry, I didn't have one in the box, so I had to use a picture. Just like before, we soften the doll's head so we can remove it. Sorry, that was a little tricky. Then place it onto the new body. I think it's a pretty decent match for Kiki. Oh, and they can wear Barbie earrings. Harper looks like a match for the blue tie-dye Made to Move Barbie. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but before I place the dolls in the water, I make sure to remove all of their accessories and stickers, just in case the heat might damage them. Now let's place Harper's head on the Made to Move body. And now she can bend her arms. I think it's safe to say that the Made to Move body is definitely my favorite. Although the Ever After Style hybrid was really cute too. Dylan looks like a good match for either one of these, or a doll with a similar skin tone. She kind of gives a Barbie vibe, which I love. So I kind of love the idea of combining the two to get like a new take. You know what? Part of me is seeing animated My Scene. You know, like from the movies. Here's a picture of the DVD on Amazon. And to me, this doll reminds me of the cover. I could be alone here, but that's what's going on in my head. Let's look through our Barbie extra book for some clothes. Wow, I have that skirt a lot. Let's set up a new backdrop. These rooms are using our magnetic wallpaper. You can check it out in this video. And I've got all of our Made to Move style dolls dressed in Barbie extra fashion. Here is Kenzie wearing a blue and black animal print with little touches of pink. With Harper, we went full on metallic. She's my space queen with a lavender fur collar. Kiki is feeling cute in pastels. This Barbie extra sweater is one of my favorites. However, I did remove the buttons. And Dylan is rocking the pink as our resident Barbiecore girl. Personally, I liked them as Style Bae dolls. I love paper dolls, I love fashion dolls. I think it's an interesting and fun mashup. But I love Made to Move, and I love that their heads could fit a Made to Move body. There's something very animated about their look. It makes me think Lolly Rock and My Scene. So my dolls might hang out as Made to Move style dolls for a while. When I find them on the shelf, I'll pick up a second one then. Speaking of adding to my doll collection, I got a new Poppy Parker. This is an adult doll collector doll by Integrity Toys. Limited edition for ages 15 plus. This doll was kinda pricey, but when I saw her, I just knew I had to add this doll to my collection. This is the Lemon Lullaby Poppy Parker doll. She comes with a certificate of authenticity, is held in the box with ribbon and string, comes with a doll stand, an extra set of hands, a tiny posable teddy bear with a yellow ribbon, yellow shoes with pom-poms, and jewelry. We have tiny yellow post with a matching ring. Let's put in the doll's earrings and her shoes to complete this very over-the-top glam nighttime look. She has eyelashes, black hair, styled with a bump on top and a little curl at the back, and she has a ribbon headband with a bow. She has red lipstick. I think this doll is beautiful. Dressed in yellow with layers and layers of tulle or netting, trimmed with lace. There is so much volume here. Is this a robe? Is there a formal name for this? Because I'm calling it a robe. It's lined at the top. The doll wears a baby doll nightgown underneath with ribbon straps, lace at the top, a little bow in front, and it hooks in the back. And there are matching undies. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, and the hands are removable. She has chest articulation, can move at the hip, and bend at the knee. Here's my Poppy Parker next to a Barbie for a little size comparison, and a Barbie can fit her nightgown. I absolutely love Poppy Parker. She is totally going on the shelf. But Poppy is a very expensive doll, so we must maintain control. Amazon Fun Find. It was $20.99 for 3. They are little makeup boxes like caboodles. At $20.99, I'm paying about $7 each. They all look just about the same, only they're different colors. It's a small case with a handle that moves. The top does open. And look, we have those little hinges on the sides. Love that. There are 3 accessories inside. Looks like a little bottle of perfume, a makeup brush, and it looks like there's a little bit of makeup on the end, and a small tube of lipstick. Here is the perfume in a Poppy Parker hand, the makeup brush, and the lipstick. I think they're a good size. There are little legs for the bottom if you want it to stand. And I think that's a film covering a mirror. Yeah, it is. Hi, everyone. It seems to be a foil sticker and is a little wobbly, but I think it's a pretty cute little mini for the dollhouse. So this one is black and gray. We also got a pink one. The perfume in this case is pink. The makeup brush has a pink handle, and there's a poof where we can take it out. Oops, dropped it. And powder our doll's nose. Okay, so all the accessories are not the same, but the pink case has legs too. The last one is a white and black case. The handle does move, but I do see a little bit of overspray. Inside, we have like a magenta bottle of perfume, a double, and a cute little bottle of nail polish. It's pink, it's see-through, it's kind of cool. However, the nail polish doesn't stand up great, so might have to sand the bottom. And let's see. I think it's a little better. So if we're dividing this up, for $7, we get a case and 3 accessories for a total of 4 items. I think they will go nicely with our mini fashion, so yay! Something new to add to the doll vanity. And it looks like Poppy is taking full advantage of the new makeup. So today, we tried out different articulated bodies with our Style Bae dolls. The Made to Move is my favorite, with Ever After High being a close second. We took a look at a new Poppy Parker doll and an Amazon Fun Find. And if we take a human-sized cosmetic sponge and cut off the end, we can then cut it into smaller pieces, add a little paint on the end for a quick miniature cosmetic wedge for the dolls. So we can pretend like they're doing their makeup or their nails. And I just had a crazy idea. I want to continue to use this little body form with the stickers, but we don't have a head. Well, there's this one. Let's cut it out. I did the best that I could with the hair. I glue it onto craft foam, cut it out, glue a circle of craft foam behind it. I added a small piece of craft foam on top, then place it onto the body, and we can dress our doll. It kind of works, right? And we get to use some of the packaging, which I love to do. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!